Hi guys! Continue ulit tayo ng PMO playlist natin. So ito yung problem number 3 coming from the recent PMO competition mga idol. So the arithmetic mean of 11 integers is 10. After adding 20 to each of the first 4 and subtracting 24 from each of the last 7, what is the new mean? Alam natin na ang mean is equal to the sum, tama ba mga idol? That is the sum over the number of kung ilan yung values na binigay or ilan yung integers. Ilan po ba yung binigay, mga Lodi Cakes? That is the total over the number of data values. So, anong gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? So, yung mean daw natin is 10 equals yung sum ng mga numbers natin divided by yung n natin. So, that is 11. So, pwede natin makuha yung sum that is equivalent to 110. Cross-multiply lang, product lang, mga idol. So, ang sinabi, nag-add daw tayo ng 20 to each of the first 4. So, anong gagawin natin dun? So, parang nag-add ka ng 80, di ba? So, parang plus 20 times 4. Kasi nag-add ka ng 20 dun sa first 4. And then, subtracting 24 from the last 7. So, that's 24 times 7, mga idolo. 110 plus 80. So, that is 190. Minus 168. So, this is equal to 22. So, the new mean is equal to the new sum over the total number of integers na binigay, which is 11. Therefore, the correct answer is 2, which is letter A. Ganun lang po siya kasimple, mga Lodi. It's just you go back to the mean equal sum over the total number of values or kung ilan yung binigay sa data natin. So just in case you have questions or clarifications, huwag kayo mahiya mag-comment sa comment section. Kita-kits sa mga idolo. God bless. Bye-bye and thank you.